The sun is warm on our skin, and the clouds are moving across a big blue sky. In just 5 minutes, we're going to loosen up, stretch, and feel the calm of the afternoon settle over us. Let's use this time to relax and unwind together. Ready to start? Let's hit the mat. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, placing your left hand on the ground. Twist to the right, lifting your right arm up to the sky. Feel the openness in your chest and the strength in your legs, grounding you to the earth. After 30 seconds, switch sides, stepping your left foot forward and twisting to the left. Imagine the sun's warmth filling you up, the twist releasing any tightness in your back and hips. Stand tall, then fold forward, reaching toward your toes. Sweep your hands from side to side across your toes, feeling the stretch in your hamstrings and lower back. Let the rhythm of this movement flow with the breeze, each sweep loosening your body a little more. Press up into downward dog, lifting your hips high, pressing your heels toward the ground. Let the sun warm up your back as you stretch through your spine and legs. If it feels good, pedal your feet, deepening the stretch and loosening up your legs. Come up onto all fours for cat-cow. Inhale, arching your back as you lift your chest and tailbone to the sky for cow pose. Exhale, rounding your spine into cat pose. With each breath, let your spine open up, feeling the warmth of the sun guiding you through each stretch. Start in child's pose, sinking your hips back towards your heels, arms reaching forward. The ground is warm under you, and each exhale helps you settle deeper. Imagine the clouds drifting above, carrying away any tension, leaving you grounded and calm. Awesome work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've stretched and opened up, letting the sun and fresh air fill you with energy. Let's keep this energy going, fam. Did you find any of the stretches challenging? Let's build some strength with the home workout. If you're ready to relax, check out a calming meditation.